Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for December 20th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, starting up here, we have two twos, puts a two somewhere up here. We have two ones, putting a one somewhere up here. Now this five looks into this box, and these are all filled. So it puts a five in one of these three. Now that's going to point left, taking five out of these. Five's not in these. And these two fives, take them out of these two. That places the five in this box. Okay, what else? We've got the 2, 6, and 9. So 2, we got the 2 already. The 6 and the 9. Oh, yeah, we got the 1s. So 6 and 9. Only 6, 9. I think this 6, 9 and this 6, 9. But it's not quite good enough because it puts 6, 9 in these three. We would need to know what the third digit was. Oh, but I'm looking at 9 in this column. Look at this. Because I was thinking about how I needed to place 6, 9 in this column. And so 6, 9 isn't here, and 6, 9 is not here. Then I looked down here, and I saw we have these two 9s here. So ignore the 6 for a second. These 9s take 9 out of all of these cells. So if we need a 9 in the column, that ends up here. And now this 6 and this 6 are crossing on this 5, 9, giving a 6 in one of these two cells. So that points down along with this 6, putting a 6 down here. Very nice. Should I look at the rest of this column? It's down to 4 digits. We do need a 1 and a 2, which aren't up the top, but we need 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, so this is a naked 3, so it can't be 1, 2, or 6. And that leaves 1, 2, 6 here. This top one's not a 6. Very nice. Okay, that's a nice head start there. These two cells are not 1, 3, 5, 9, and they're also not 2, 6. So they are down to 4, 7, 8. Okay. What else can I do here? These two cells are not the 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, so they could be 3, 4, 7, 8. Well, we do have these two 7s looking up. It's a 7 in one of these two. So this is 2, 4, 8. Oh, sorry. What can this be? Not 1, 2. Could be 3, 4. Can't be 5, 6, 7. Could be 8. Can't be 9. Okay, 3, 4, 8. Is there anything else here? This row is down to 4, 7, 8. On 8. I was looking down here for 7s, and I noticed this 7 looks in here, which puts a 7 in one of these two. So that clears that 7 there. Now that does actually place the, no, it doesn't place the 7, but it does inform us 7's in one of these two, and actually we can see these lining up, putting a 7 in one of these two, which you can see from the markings for the row as well. That means none of these are 7. That's the important bit. Is that enough to do any kind of marking? I'm not sure. I might just move on to the next band at this point. We'll come back if we need to. That's 5 does not... Oh, it does do something. These 5s. Put a 5 in one of these two. Okay. Got the 7, which we already took care of there. Okay. We have these two 9s. Puts a 9 in one of these two. So this 9 as well. And we have 4, 6, and 8. Now, I don't think we have any kind of geometry here. We do have this 6, 8 seeing here, these 6, 8 see here, but it's not enough. 4, 6, and 8. These 4s look in here, putting a 4 in one of these two. 6, not quite good enough. 8. Okay, I think I'm going to move on. This bottom band here, we got the 5 and the 7. So these two 5s look in here, putting a 5 up here somewhere. The 7, we do have two 7s, putting a 7 in one of these two. So I got the 5, 7. Let's look at the 3. Do anything with 3? That I can tell, it's in one of these three. We've got the 5. Already have that marked. Okay, we've got the 8. Both 3 and 8 are down here. That tells me these two cells are restricted because they're not 3, 8. So they could be 1, 2. They can't be 3, 4. They could be 5. They can't be 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, they are restricted. In fact, I'm seeing... Oh no, I thought I saw these 5s line up, but the 5 can be here. Never mind. You know, if this is 3, 8, and then the other of 1, 2, 5. Well, not 5. The other 1, 2. These aren't 2s, though. These worth marking. Well, yeah, they're not 2 and they're not 5. So what are they? They're the 1. They're not 2. They could be 3. They're not 4, 5, 6, 7. They could be 8. So 1, 3, 8. Okay. What else can I do in this band? I was looking at 3, 8. Okay, we can look at the 4, which doesn't seem to do anything, and we can look at the 6. We already have the 6s marked there. The 7, we took care of the 9. Oh, we didn't take care of the 9 yet. Oh, that places the 9 in this box. Does that have any effect on... Well, it does reduce this row to 4 digits. We need the 1, 2, 4, 5. That's definitely worth marking. 1, 2, 4, 5. This cannot be the 1 or the 5, and this can't be the 2 or the 5. Okay. Not much to do with that immediately. So what else is in this band? I'm not sure. These aren't 7. This one's not 2 or 7. In addition to the 3, 5, 8, 9. Basically, I'm looking at this 3, 5, 8, 9. 5 is already in the column, so 3, 8, 9 go here. Oh, where's the 9 in this column? Right, this 9C's here, these two 9C here, and this 9C's here. So this is our 9. I wonder if there's an easier way to see these 9s. But anyway, there's a 9 there. 9s are done. So now I'm just looking at the 3 and the 8 in this column, which unfortunately is not, it doesn't quite do anything, but it does mean these two cells are probably quite limited. So they're not they could be 1, they're not 2, 3, they could be 4, they're not 5, they could be 6, 7, and they're not 8, 9. Okay, so that does clean up a bit. 1, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, so this almost quad is telling us that this is an almost hidden triple, right? Hidden pair. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna scan the stacks real quick, and then I'm gonna look for low-hanging fruit, like things to pencil. 5s, 2s, 9s. Okay, we've got the 1, 3, 5, 9. Took care of those. Got the 7. Okay, taken care of. We've got the 7 and the 9, so we took care of that. Took care of that. We got 4 and 6. Okay, I did not get these two 6s. The 6 looks in. All right. 4 we got here. All right. So what did I miss here? Let's look for low-hanging fruit. So restricted rows, columns, boxes. Am I seeing anything here? So we know this one's not 7. Does that help me? It's not 1, 2, 3. Could be 4. It's not 5. Could be 6. It's not 7 though, because the 7's here. Could be 8. It's not 9. No good rows. Only marked already. Maybe I should look at this column. So we have the 1. We need 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. This can't be 7 or 8. So this is 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's not 4 either. Okay. This isn't 7. 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, no good there. 1 and 9? No, just the 1. No. 6 and 9 are already in the column. What's our next step here? Well, these cells are not 4 or 6 or 7 or 9. That's not a whole lot to go on. Let's see. Let's just think about it though. We need 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Well, this can't be 2 or 5. Let's just write them all out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This can't be 2 or 5. This can't be 1 or 8. This isn't worth marking. But that does make a 1, 3, 8 triple in this column. Very interesting. So if that's a 1, 3, 8 triple, then this is also a triple. This is 4, 5, 7. Okay. What does this do for me? I'm looking at 1s, 3s, and 8s. The 3 and the 8 end up here with the 5. Oh, no, the 5 can be there. Never mind. I was like, that was weird. And it was wrong. That's why it was weird. Okay, 1, 3, 8. Anything? I mean, we have these 8s, I guess. Puts an 8 one of these two. Not 7. 8. 1, 3, 8. Four, 5, 7. Maybe the fact that these can't be 1, 3, 8 anymore. Eight's not here. 8's not here. It's not here, but 8 could be in 2 places in this row. 2 places in this column. Darn. What is this cell? 1, 2, 3. It's not 5. So 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, I need more low-hanging fruit. I don't have to do this 1, 3, 8. This column here, maybe we need a 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Well, this can't be 2 or 6. So 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, 3, 5, 8 only. Huh. Still missing something. Any boxes of note that I should think about? Maybe I should think about. Oh yeah, I did think about this cell. It was 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Well, it's not 5. 1, 2, 3, 8. Right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. This cell? Maybe I should think about this column. It has 6 digits left. That's a lot. This can't be 6, 8 though in a row. It's not 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. But that's it. So it's still got 4 digits left. Is there any kind of like pointing or claiming that I didn't respect that maybe needs to be looked at closer? I know that none of these are 7. So does that help me? They're not 2, 5, 7, 9. That's it. This one's not a 3 in addition to that. It's not an 8. What is happening here? Maybe I need to look more closely at this box. Like 6 and 8 aren't in these 3 cells. I mean, we could just think about what they need. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't be 5, 6. Could be 7. Can't be 8. No. That is not helpful. Is there... Maybe there's a digit I got that I didn't follow up properly on. So I got the 3. Okay, that does put a 3 in one of these 2 cells. Ah, and that 3 points in here. And the 1, 3, 8 looks up, putting a 3 here. That's not a 3 anymore. And now 1, 3, 8 yeah, the 8 ends up in one of these two cells. That's going to point here, along with this 8, putting it in one of these two cells. That points down, placing this 8. Wow. Okay, so that's not an 8. That puts the 8 down here for the column, for what it's worth. What else can I get? That's not 8 anymore. Does that help me? Actually, it does. Where's 8 in this column? Wow. Yeah, because the 8s claim this column. 8 in this column is one of these two, so this cannot be an 8. And then this 8 sees here, this 8 sees here, and this 8 sees here. So 8 in the column is right there. Gives us the 5 as well, giving us the 2 and 5 here, giving us the 4 and 1. Okay, that's very handy. We get the 3 here and the 1. That's not a 5. Okay. It's not a 4. These aren't 1s, so the 1 ends up there. Don't need these 8s. Don't need this 1. 4, 7 pair. Yeah, this is the 5 for the column. That's our 4 for the box. We have the 5 and 7 in this box. This is 1, 2, 3. So what's the rest of this row then? We have 1, 2, 3. We need 4, 6, 8. Just write that out. That's not 4. These both aren't 8. Okay, so the 8's placed in the row. That places the 6. This digit's a 2. This digit is a 3. Places the 3 up here. We get a 3 in the corner, shooting out snow. This is 4, 6, 7. It can't be 6 or 4. So this is a naked 7, giving us the 7 here, the 6 and the 4. We get our 2, 1, and 6. Very nice. We get our 7 and 8 in this box, giving us the 4 and 8. 7, 4, 7. All right, we're off to the races here. This is 6 and 4. This digit looks like it's a 2. These two digits, we need 1 and 2, so they go like that. That gives us the 1 and whatever this is, 6. Gives us the 6 here. All right, these two digits are 2 and 4. This 4 tells us that's 4, that's 2. It's 3 and 2. Giving us the 8, 8, I said. 3 and 8. 3 and 1, and we're done. Alrighty. It definitely, okay, so there was the 1, 3, 8 triple. That definitely felt very important. But there was also this 3, and how did I get that 3? It had to do with this 3 looking up, making pointing 3s, which then, along with the 1, 3, 8, gave us this 3, which then gave us an 8 up here. Okay. So I think those are like the key steps to find. I don't know if you can solve it without finding those. At least it's much more difficult. Cool. Well, how'd you do? And if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.